Shower shelf installation can be easy. This is a retrofit shelf with 3 tabs that fit into the grout joints. You want to mark the location of the tabs on the grout joints with the pencil. The tabs are about 3/16 of an inch deep, and you can use an oscillating multi-tool equipped with a carbide blade to cut out the grout joints. Just make sure you don't go any further than 3/16 of an inch into the grout joint so you don't penetrate your backer boards. Then what you can do is dry fit the shelf, take it back out, clean out the joints. Also, you can use a shop vac for that. In this case, we're going to be using Ardex SX. This is a color matching silicone that goes into the grout joints. Use the right caulking gun. This is a newborn caulking gun specifically for silicone. Back cut the applicator and then apply the silicone into those cuts. Then you can add your shelf in it, and if it doesn't go in all the way, you can use a beater block or 2x4 to pound it into place. Then apply your color matching silicone on the top and the bottom of this shelf to seal it off. You can add 2 to 3 drops of Dawn dishwashing liquid to water, shake it up, and then spray that onto the joint, and then use a popsicle stick to tool the silicone and make it look professional. You want to do this on the top and the bottom, but that's a really awesome tip, and as you can see here, you'll get perfect results.